Ah, the old dreaded souffle. That light fluffy egg dish that every cook fears. But it's not that bad. I mean, a savoury one. You've got more leeway. You know, they can forgive you. But a sweet one, yeah, you've got to be more precise, more technique involved. But a savoury one, still technique, but it's absolutely delicious. Like I said, a savoury souffle, you can get away with a few things. You can take it a little step further. But a sweet one, yeah, you've got to hold back and, you know, be on your good behaviour. So there's a few little things you've got to remember, and the little things are very important. Eggs, room temperature. It's your egg whites, your folding, your whipping. Got to get that right. Your bechamel, not that bad, but you still got to get that right. And your ramekins, you know, how you put the butter in, vertical strokes, that can help it rise. Then you can put your breadcrumbs in or your cheese, and that creates like a building block to make the souffle rise as well. There's all these little things you've got to remember. What I'm trying to say is cars. Yeah, so there's just these little things you've got to remember, little techniques, and once you've mastered them, it's a breeze. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and relax, slap a like on this video, share, subscribe, do whatever you do. You'll be doing me a favour. Sit back and enjoy. Thanks, guys. To make the batter, first separate the eggs. Also, make sure they're at room temperature. When separated, put the yolks and egg whites to one side. To make the bechamel, add unsalted butter to a pan. When melted, add flour and cook out for 2 minutes. Add cold milk and whisk until thick. When thick, add nutmeg, Dijon mustard and stir. Stir well and take off the heat. My choice of cheeses are sharp-aged cheddar and Grana padano. With the saltiness of the cheddar and the nutty flavour of the padano, they're a match made in heaven for my soufflés. Grate the cheeses. Then add to the bechamel. Now stir until the cheese is melted, but not fully, you still want some texture. Now let cool. Next, stir in the egg yolks one at a time. Season to taste and put the batter to one side. Next, grab your soufflé moulds. Coat them using unsalted butter, doing vertical strokes from the bottom to the rim. This will help the soufflé rise. Add grated padano. Now rotate the ramekins until the cheese has stuck to the butter. Again, this will help the soufflé rise. Now place in the fridge. Next, add egg whites to a mixing bowl, followed by a light pinch of salt. Using a mixer, start at a slow speed for about 2 minutes, then go faster, until stiff peaks. When mixed, transfer the batter to a large bowl. Now fold the egg whites gently into the batter. Pour into ramekins, a grated cheese on top, now place in the oven and cook. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.